Okay friends, today I am explaining about Unlock and Earn app. This app belongs to UAE Etisalat. Okay friends, this is the app. You have to go Google Play Store and download this app Unlock and Earn. With this app, you will get every month 15 dirhams. You see here they are showing this. You can read and see the terms and conditions and about the app and how they are giving everything. You can see after you download the app. This is from Etisalat, not any private company. They are providing this points and this app also from Etisalat. They are giving this with this app. If we download this app and after that we have registered with our name and email address and our phone number, then one verification code will come to our phone number only for Etisalat users. After that you give the phone number, then you will get one OTP. You have to enter that code in the app. After that you will activate it. See, only like this you have to do. The ad will come like that. After that you have to close. That's all. You don't need to do anything. So what is the procedure? I will tell you here. They are giving every day 30 points for watching that ads. So within 30 days they will give total 750 points. 750 points means we will get 15 dirhams per month. See, first 250 points we will get 5 dirhams. Here they are showing the date when we start and when we end the period. So this is my ending period. Until now I got 5 dirhams, and this also I have to finish within 3-4 days. Within this date I have to finish these points also. So now I have 370 points. I need some more points to reach 500 within more 5 days. So I have completed 25 days. See, so within the 5 days I have to get more points for 500. Then I will, if I reach 500 points, then I will get 10 dirham. See here, first 250 points I completed, so that's why I got 5 dirhams. After that I reached until more than off. After that, when I reached until the end, I will get more 5 dirhams. So total 10 dirhams I will get. After that I have no time because I finished my 30 days, so I didn't get the 15 dirham. Anyway, I got 10 dirham, it's better. I am happy. So next time I will try every day. Must I have to watch, at least have to unlock the phone in the day 24 hours. Then we will get 30 points per day. 30 points per day means within 30 days we will get maximum 15 dirham. So every day they will give only 30 points for each day. So within 30 days we have to get 15 dirham. It's possible. How it's possible? We have to, it's easy, it's not difficult. And after that there is one more draw opportunity also. I will tell that in the end of this video. Okay friends, so just after you finish everything, you download the app, then you open and verify the mobile number with entering the code which they sent to your mobile. After that you have to just close this one. Just wait for a moment. After phone will close, will unlock. Then after few minutes you have to unlock the phone. Just see how I will show you. Just wait for a few minutes, your phone will switch off, I mean log off. Nothing to do anything. This is from Etisalat, not any private company. They are not cheating us. Nothing it will be happen. It's genuine. They are giving. I already show you. I got 5 dirhams and I have to be going for 10 dirham also. So friends, just grab this opportunity and try to your luck. Maybe you will get some more and more opportunities in this. I see now it's closed. So now we have to do what we have to do. See this one. I am opening my mobile like this. It's unlocked. See, it's unlocked here. Then I have to. Sorry, this is locked. See, this is locked. So now we have to unlock. Sorry, we have to unlock this one. Just make like this. That's all. See, this is the ad. Only this. Then after that you have to close that one. That's it. You have to do every time only this. When the phone is closed, you have to open the phone, then it's unlocked. That time you will get one ad. This is every day. Just open. You see how to open. Just you have to open your phone like this. After that you just unlock your phone. This is locked now. Yeah, just you unlock your phone like this. Then see, automatically this ad will come. With these ads, the Etisalat giving money for us. When we reach, see how they are giving money. This is the app you see here. Unlock and end. I am clicking the opening the app. See, it's here. They are giving points total 750 in a month. When we reach 250 points, they will give 5 dirhams. I already got 370 points. That's why I had reward earned 5 dirham. You see here. Okay. Then after 500, we reach the 500 points. Then I will get 10 dirham. After that, if we get 750, we reach. Then we will get 15 dirham within 30 days. See here 25 days I completed beginning date, and I got 370 points, so that's why I got only 5 dirhams now. After 500 points I reached, then I will get 10 dirham. I have more 5 days. See, again it's closed. The mobile is again it's locked. Now again you have to try unlock. Same procedure. Then open the phone, then try this. You will get like this ad. Every time when you are you are unlocking your phone, you will get. Just you have to close this one. That's all. No need to do anything. You have to do like this, because they are giving 30 points for each day. Okay, I will show you. See, this is the views chart. This is from starting day 1 2 3 like that. I saw this too much ads, more than 30 50 like that. That's why it's bigger line. If you get until this line, you will get minimum 30 dirham. 30 points. Minimum you have to see until this line. After that you will get 30 points each day. So it will become 30 points into 30 days 900. If some days we miss it, then also we have to get minimum 15 dirhams in a month. So please friends, try it and get every month 15 dirhams until August 31st. See here, there is they are showing current period goals. Reward earned 5 dirhams and period end date. They give period end date. So I need more points to get 10 dirhams. So I have time more 5 days like that. So I will get the remain amount also, remain points for 10 dirhams. Okay, and this is the one about the app. And here there is one other opportunity also they are giving, lucky draw. I will show you about the lucky draw. Yes, see, this is the one other opportunity. Use the app until 31st August 2017 and you could be win a trip for two to Progu. Terms and conditions apply. You can read and see the terms and conditions in this app and the Etisalat site also. So friends, try your luck. Everybody download this app and try from today. If you have luck, you will get the trip for Portuguese. Okay friends, thank you very much. If you like this, please like it and share it with your friends to get the chance for your friends also. Just give them to this about this app details and tell them to try it. Okay friends, see again it's gone. Again I will try.